I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Figma sites. Figma is a powerful design tool that operates primarily in your web browser, making it incredibly accessible. You can simply navigate to a Figma file link, and it will open directly. For a more integrated experience, consider using the dedicated desktop application, available for both Mac and Windows. Both methods require a stable internet connection to access your cloud-based design files efficiently. To open a Figma file in your browser, first go to Figma.com and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, your dashboard displays all your recent files and projects. Simply click on any file to open it in a new browser tab. Alternatively, if someone shares a direct link with you, pasting it into your browser's address bar will open the design instantly, even without navigating to the dashboard first. For a smoother workflow, the Figma desktop application is an excellent choice. After downloading and installing it on your computer, log in using your Figma account. The app provides a dedicated environment, often with slightly better performance than a browser tab, especially for complex files. You can access all your cloud files, open recent projects, and manage your designs just as you would in the browser, but within a focused application window. If you encounter issues opening Figma files, start by checking your internet connection. A poor connection is a common culprit. If using a browser, try clearing your cache and cookies, or switch to an alternative browser like Chrome or Firefox. Also, confirm that your Figma account has the necessary permissions to view or edit the specific file. Sometimes, a simple refresh or restarting the application can resolve minor glitches, getting you back to designing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.